guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and when you subscribe to my channel, you are going to get all sorts of tips and tricks and haul videos and plan with me videos, and you're going to learn all about how to continually utilize your planner and make organizing fun and exciting so that you continue to keep on coming back to it. So I upload videos every single day, so make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as liking the video if this is something that you want to continue to keep on seeing. This is going to be a plan with me in my classic size dashboard planner, which is what I use for my social media / work. And I am super excited because I am planning for the week of Christmas. So Christmas is on Saturday, and I'm using my seasonal Homebody sticker book. So in the back is all of the Christmas stickers, and oh, I cannot wait. All of like the wreaths and stuff. I'm also going to be using some scrapbook paper as well. So let's go ahead and start. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. All right. I always white out these sections. I have these wreaths that are obviously going to be perfect. So I'm just going to rip. I want like a small corner over here and then 2 big corners over here. So that's what I'm going to start with. I just love having a happy planner where you can just punch in whatever you want. It's just so much fun. It's like just like so customizable, you know? Okay, so let's just see what this whole book is about. I've only used the fall, and I barely even used that. There's still so much left. So I really don't know much about this book. I feel like it's like such a unicorn book that I hardly ever see anybody use. So I can't wait. Some really good boxes, amazing quotes, really good. Ooh, look at this. Oh, so cute. Okay, good quotes, some decor and decor, and more decor. Okay, perfect. Oh, what? I didn't even know this was back here. These are some holidays. I'm thinking this would be a good one to use. Well, let's do this one. I'm gonna put, see, it's like, it's made for the dashboard planner. Because Homebody was, the Homebody planner was a dashboard planner. So, wonder if I should put this on Wednesday or Thursday. Let's do Thursday. I feel like I'm gonna do a lot of prep before we leave to go out of town. Okay, let's do this one to be a list. If I take off one of these, yeah, I could do something like this. Or I cut it off at the end, because there's a lot of decor in this book and I want to make sure I use it. I just had like the biggest cup of coffee. I feel like my hands are really shaky right now. Okay. What should I do with these? They're like So cute. Oh man. Hello, winter. It's nice to see you again. I think that would be cute to put down here. I think it would be really easy when you have paper down to not stick anything on the paper. But when you do, it just, I don't know, it feels like, I don't know how to explain it. It feels like more purposeful, I guess. I don't know. Never lose your sense of wonder. I think I really want to put that down, but I need to label this like my to-do list. I'm going to put welcome winter up here because Monday is actually the first day of winter and I want to use that sticker. So I'm going to put that there. I don't normally like do functional things as far as like holidays and stuff like that because this is for work and you know, YouTube, Instagram, stuff like that. But it's good to bring in some of that red. Maybe do this. Let me see. Is there a different box I could use? Could maybe put it over here. I think that's good. And then I could do some decor in the middle. Let me see. I'm obsessed with these stockings. Look how freaking adorable they are. Ugh, I love it. All right. Let's put like a little truck. Well, there's already a truck right there. I'll kind of put it more over there. I wonder if I should do one of these wreaths with a quote inside. Let me see. If I do a paper quote, and then maybe put like Merry and Bright in the middle. To make it like look like an ornament. I don't know. I think it's cute. All right. I don't think there's anything that says to do in this book, so I'm going to take it out of here. I'll put like this remember. Just for right there. And then maybe some bullet points. Okay. Now that I have this out, maybe this box would be helpful for, I don't know, one of these days. Maybe Sunday. Let's put another one of these going the other way, more like this. I'm gonna cover up December. I don't think it matters. Like, I know that it's December, obviously. So I'm just gonna cover it up because I really want that branch up there. I feel like that makes a big difference. It's like so cute. Let's do a mug, of course. It's like adorable. Let's do a mug on Christmas Eve. And, ugh, I am actually falling in love with this. This is like the most adorable thing ever. This list, I'm not totally sure how I want to do it. Like, this is my to-do list, and this is more like ideas and places that I need to like jot down stuff. Look at that, so cute. Ooh, I like this joy too. Definitely need to use this. Let's put joy maybe over here. The days are merry. Oh my gosh. You guys, how do I even use all this stuff? Oh, look. I should do the checklist like this. That's like so much more cuter. I actually really want to do. So either put it there or down here. That's really the only two options. Put it down there or up here. I kind of like it up here better. Or I could like layer these together. Yeah, let's do that. I'm thinking a quote right there. 'Tis the season to stay inside. Every season serves a purpose. 'Tis the season to sparkle. I'm gonna do life is better in a warm sweater. This is like such cute, warm, cozy colors that I'm in love with this. This is stinking adorable. And I haven't done any stockings. What in the world? You guys, I should have used this way earlier. Like, I'm kind of having the same problem that I did with my catch-all planner this week. Like, using the Christmas sticker book. I just feel like I'm not utilizing all of my stickers. There's so many more stickers that I'm not using. I could hang the stocking like up there, but that seems weird. I could hang them right here. Yeah, I guess that's okay. I'm not in love with it, but I think it's good. I don't have a title over here, so maybe, let me see. I need like notes or jot it down or, you know, something like that. This is just all of my words, or a lot of words, not all of them. The plan, I could put one of these big words back here might work. From Heather's words. Priority, change batteries, delivery, call, checklist. I could just label it checklist. I'm honestly gonna label it hustle. I think that's cute. I think it's like, you know, all these ideas, I gotta like hustle to get it done, you know, something like that. I think I'm all done. Even though I have a million other stickers I want to use, but here we are. Look at this. I have like so much for the end of the year. Guys, get excited. Get excited. All right, it's all done. And this feels like so calming. It's like, so the colors are perfect. They're like so warm and cozy. The mug, I can't. I love it. I think that the paper really brought everything together, and it fills up a lot of the empty space because I don't use this side as much as you would think. I really write a ton over here. So yay, it's all done. And that was pretty quick. You know, I didn't use a ton of stickers. It just took me a second to get started. So, all right, we're all done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And I hope everyone has a wonderful Christmas if I don't talk to you before then. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.